G'day everyone, welcome to Motorbone Aussie. And we're here, probably 4 o'clock in the morning, doing a night crab. Been done it a few times before. Managed to get my full quota of crabs packed up, ready to go home before everyone else starts arriving. Now I've got, this is my torch I use, it's 1,000 lumens, nice and bright. See the crabs all over the place. Recommend it, costs about 140 bucks. So we'll just head out now. It's absolutely no breeze and should have no problems getting the crabs again. So we'll see how we go, how the GoPro handles the night time and with the torch. So hopefully we'll be able to see us still catching the crabs. Cheers guys. See this one, look at that, not even 2 foot off. Only 2 foot out, it's already here. Keep still, you bastards. Could be a bit under. Be close. Just under. But you can see, look, no wind, nice and calm, so easy to see the crabs. Put him back. Yep, we're 4 mils over, first one of the night. Oh, here's one a bit buried, he looks a bit bigger. See if he is or not. Yeah, just touches. You'll do. 3. And this one looks the biggest. Right here. He just touches. Yep. Put on this bugger will be the biggest one of the day. Yep, will do. There's the crabs there, 7 of them. Bad size, that one. This one here, a couple of them like a centimetre over, which is good. And I'd say the other 5 were just, you know, 1 millimetre over. But not bad. It's a pretty good season this season, so yeah, see what happens. Hopefully another 4 or 5 weeks, the ones that were all just under will be sized, and we'll get another nice feed again. Oh, hello everyone. Well, wasn't too bad today. Great conditions, no wind, very glassy out there, easy to see the crabs, but yeah, the size ones, well, weren't too many around this one. I managed to get 7 though, but I reckon we'll record about 15 or 16 that were just like a millimetre under. Went back probably another 3 or 4 weeks time, they'll be size. But I noticed today there seemed to be a lot of them were buried, so it's a bit harder to come across. So 7's better than nothing. Go back home now, clean them up, and I might do a curried crab for lunch. We'll see how we go with that. So see you back in the kitchen. See you later. Welcome to Motorbang Aussie. Here we go here, nice red curried crab. Beautiful it is. We'll put the recipe card with it so you can see how I do it, but if it's got a bit of spice to it. If you want a bit more, we'll just add another tablespoon of the curry paste into it, but it's got, you know, ginger, lemongrass, lots of garlic, the paste, tomato paste, you can put cafe lime leaves in if you want, and I've got coriander as well. But like I said, it's pretty successful, 7 crabs, so I can't complain about that. Enough for a feed, and we'll just have a bit of a taste of these nippers, eh? Suck a bit of the meat out there. Oh yeah. Oh, can't beat fresh crab. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, lovely and sweet. Goes well with the curry. I'll serve a bit of rice with this now. I'll be having it for dinner. So until the next video or fishing adventure, we'll see you for the next video, and hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below. If you'd like to see the crabs done in any other different way, just leave a message. Maybe a pasta dish, chili crab, Singapore pepper, something like that. We'll see how we go before the end of the crab season. Thanks for watching everyone. Cheers.